How to create a luxury feel on a budget. You don't need a huge budget to make your kitchen or bathroom feel high end. It's all about smart design choices and the right details. 1. Upgrade your lighting. Lighting makes a massive difference. 2. Stick to a clean color palette. Luxury spaces are simple and cohesive. 3. Use large format tile, fewer grout lines. Cleaner look. 4. Upgrade fixtures. Small cost, big impact. Swap out basic hardware for matte black brushed gold modern chrome. 5. Frameless glass shower. Even in smaller bathrooms, this creates a sleek, open feel. 6. Declutter and go minimal. Less is more. Luxury isn't about spending more, it's about choosing the right details and keeping everything cohesive. ECM Carpentry helps homeowners create spaces that are beautiful, functional, and built to last, serving Delaware, Maryland, New Jersey, and Southeast Pennsylvania.